How to get the Spotify codes. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and today I will show you how you can get the Spotify codes. To do that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Spotify on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, you will see and pop up like this, and then you can choose any of the music that you want to listen and get the Spotify code off. So just choose any random music. Let's go on the music section. And for example, if this is a music that I choose, then on the top right side, there are many options. I can simply tap on show Spotify code and it will show me Spotify code here as well. But if it does not show, then there is next option. You can simply tap on share. And after tapping on share, you can simply copy the link. After copying the link, you can simply go on the Google Chrome. On the Google Chrome, you can simply search for Spotify codes and you can paste the URL right here and it will give you the Spotify code right there. And then you can send it to other person so that they can scan it and get to listen the song that you are listening as well. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.